Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use small taskbar buttons in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to use small taskbar buttons in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, right click on personalize. Click on taskbar and here option use small taskbar buttons. So if you want to enable, so select on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method. If you want to use small taskbar button, first right click on personalize, click on taskbar and here key use small taskbar button to select to one position. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update.